everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently 41 degrees and cloudy here in the valley on this Thursday afternoon. We received our first snowfall of the season here in city limits on Tuesday. Tis the season. Today, I'm going to try the mint chocolate chip cookie dough bites. Ooh. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them are. I bought this 3.1 ounce box yesterday at a local grocery store for $1.28. Full disclosure, Winco Foods is not a sponsor of this video, and A Taste of Nature Incorporated is not a sponsor of this video. The store had 22 boxes in stock on the shelf in their holiday section of the store, along with dozens and dozens of other Christmas themed candies, Christmas decorations, stocking stuffers, a little bit of everything. That's the part of the store where they have the Easter, Halloween, Christmas, Independence Day, wide variety. This particular box has an expiration date of November 10th, 2025. I like the packaging. That's what caught my eye when I was walking by. This is font design, the color. Open here. Ta-da. Yep. It's a bag in a box. Woo! Smells minty. Pleasant aroma. It reminds me of the Andes mints. Little ball. Firm. Cheers, everybody. And another. The outer chocolate shell gives away almost immediately to the tender and soft cookie dough interior. Smooth undertone of mint throughout. Not overly sweet as I thought they would be. Certainly not stale. And the mint really shines through. Complements the chocolate nicely. The cookie dough balls aren't melted in the package. Fresh. I'm not picking up any weird chemical aftertaste. Nothing tastes metallic. Mint. Fresh breath. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but the chocolate almost has a sheen on it. These are great on their own. I think they'd be even better as a topping on some ice cream or a sundae. But on their own, cookie dough meshes well with the chocolate outer coating and the mint. Definitely dessert territory. And it seems to be a good quality for the quantity and the price. Yeah, they're bite size. One at a time. You can put 3 in a time, even 5 if you're inclined to do so. And also, full disclosure, I'm trying these at room temperature. I could put a few in the freezer, try them later, have that little extra layer of crunch. It's smooth. Woo. Ta-da! On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the mint chocolate chip cookie dough bites. I will give these a solid 9.17 here on this Thursday, a week before Thanksgiving. Cookie bites. I love the consistency and the value. Oh yeah, just like that. I can't get enough. I keep putting them in my mouth. Cookie dough. And don't worry, it says here on the back that it's been the wheat has been heat treated. Now, it's safe to eat on its own. Until next time, bye everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels if you're heading anywhere this weekend, upcoming weekend. Mint.